How to bold text on Instagram posts. So I haven't shared some posts that I want to actually post right here. So let me head over and then click on next right here in order to add them and post them. However, if you want to bold the text or the description for that, what you can do is you can head over right here to your Google, search in here for bold text generator. You can see this Lego Jam right here. Head over and click on that. And then for example, let's put in here elegant. So just put in here this text that you want bold, and you can see this bold serif, bold sans, and also all this. I'll head over and choose in here bold serif, just long press that and then click on copy. Once you have copied that, head back right here and then write the caption or paste it right here. Now from in there, click on the share option and then share this post right here. And then you should be able to see it posted right here once it's done posted. So from in there, we should be able to see this right here. And as you can see, the description is on bold text. So that's how you bold text an Instagram post. Hope we helped.